Hello students, as we are studying chapter number 12, what if it finishes? In that chapter, today we will see very interesting topic as well as it is very important, that is renewable and non-renewable energy resources and energy conservation. So let's see. First of all, we will see the difference or the definition of renewable and non-renewable. Natural resources that can be replaced and reused by nature are termed as renewable, means that can be reused, that are called renewable. Natural resources that cannot be replaced are termed as non-renewable. So that is the main difference, that can be reused by nature and that cannot be replaced. So that is the main difference. So renewable resources are replaced through natural processes at the rate that is equal to or greater than the rate at which they are used, and depletion is usually not a worry. Means if suppose we are using that renewable resources, so if they are at means if their availability is less, so that is not a problem. But non-renewable resources are exhaustible, means they can finish and are extracted faster than the rate at which they form. Example, fossil fuels, for example coal, oil, natural gas, these are non-renewable resource, and in short they are taking much time to form. The simple meaning of this three lines. So renewable means an energy source that can be replenished or replaced in a short period of time. Within short period of time we can get it. And non-renewable means an energy source that we cannot replace. That is non-renewable source of energy. Here children, you can see your solar panels are there. You can see windmills are there. So that are renewable energy sources. Example. So let's see some of the examples related to our day-to-day life that are renewable energy resources. We can say solar energy means sun, with the help of sun we can get that energy. Biomass means with the help of plants we can get that. Then hydropower with the help of water. Okay. Then geothermal and then wind. Geo means geo means earth. So from deep inside the earth we can get that energy, and wind energy. And non-renewable energy means you can get it, that examples are oil, coal, nuclear and natural gas. So these are some of the sources that we can get renewable energy sources as well, renewable energy and non-renewable. I think this geothermal word is new for you. So what is geothermal energy? Geothermal energy that comes from the ground. Actually the meaning of geo means what? Earth. And thermal means heat. So energy that comes from the ground and power extracted from heat stored in the earth. So that is the meaning of geothermal. Non-renewable energy is energy which is taken from the sources that are available on the earth in limited quantity and will vanish 56 to 60 years now. Non-renewable sources are not environmental friendly, can have serious effects on our health. They are called non-renewable because they cannot be regenerated within short span of time. Means we cannot form it within a short period of time. We cannot regenerate it within less time, short period of time. Example, coal, oil, fossil fuels. These are non-renewable energy sources. Now we will say about fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are made from decomposing plants and animals. Now decomposition, you know very well that microorganisms are working on it, and decaying process occurs, decomposition of plants and animals occurs. These fuels are found in the earth crust and contain carbon and hydrogen, which can be burned for energy. Coal, oil and natural gas are examples of fossil fuels. These are the example of fossil fuels. Non-renewable resources takes millions of years to form because of the time it takes to reform them. They are considered non-renewable. Once these resources are used up, they are considered gone. Non-renewable resources are rocks, minerals, oil and coal. Almost all of the energy that humans are using, that comes from this type of resources. So that is about renewable and non-renewable resources of energy. So see again, once again we will see what is the difference between renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources are solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, biofuels, cultivated plants, biomass, air, water and soil. So these are renewable resources of energy. And in contrast, means in opposite, you can see non-renewable resources are those that are available to us in limited quantities, or those that are renewed so slowly that the rate at which they are consumed is too fast. Means we are taking very less time to use it, consume it, but it is taking lots of time to form it. That is the meaning of that. So here today we have seen children about we have seen about the renewable and non-renewable resources of energy. So thank you for watching video. Please read chapter 12 as many times as you can. Please find out the hard words meanings, underline it with pencil, and please find out the meanings from the dictionary. Reading is also a very important part. So please read chapters very carefully. Thank you for watching video.